How much would a car cost if it were 100% made in the USA? It's complicated. President Donald Trump is using his 25% tariff on imported vehicles and car parts to pressure automakers into bringing manufacturing back to the US. But the problem is that's a lot easier said than done. In fact, two executives at auto suppliers told CNBC's Michael Whalen that it would be unrealistic, if not impossible, to profitably build a 100% American-made car right now. Take the 2025 Ford Expedition. It's built entirely in Kentucky, but the majority of its parts are made outside the US, including its engine. Ford CEO Jim Farley says bringing everything back to the States would make new cars more expensive, and that 15 to 20% of vehicle parts are difficult to currently source in the US.
We can move everything in the US, but if every Ford is $50,000, we're not going to win as a company.
Experts say the US doesn't have enough plants, mines, or materials like steel and semiconductors to build cars 100% in the US, and those processes could take a decade or more to build at scale. Experts say the increased cost of a 100% made in the US car could price many consumers out of the new vehicle market, which could then lead to less demand and lower production. The material cost alone, before you add in manufacturing investments, would add thousands to a car's price point and raise prices for consumers, experts told CNBC. One expert said it could cost more than $5,000 to get a car made with up to 75 or 80% US and Canadian parts. To get to 90%, expect to add another $5,000 to $10,000, and thousands more to get to a higher percentage than that. So we've established that a 100% USA-made car would be a pricey and difficult thing to achieve. But is there a more realistic goal automakers could strive for? Check out our full article on CNBC.com for more details.